how to check last app deleted on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. If you are wondering how to check the last app you deleted on your iPhone, you're in the right place. First off, it's important to note that iOS doesn't have a direct feature to show you recently deleted apps, but don't worry, there's a simple workaround. First, open up the App Store on your iPhone and tap on the profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account page. Now click on Apps to see a list of all the apps you have ever downloaded with your Apple ID. Then there you'll see Not on this iPhone option. Tap on it and this will filter the list. Now you'll find all the apps that are currently not installed on your device, including the ones you may have accidentally deleted. And that's it. Now you know how to check the last app you deleted on your iPhone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.